Wahala dey oh, hey. One Nigerian lady don't come outside, they complain about the illegal detainment where they keep her for inside Delhi, India. She dey claim say she did her shop jeje or they run her own business. No be say she dey do yahoo, no be say she dey do something illegal. Now there this Delhi police come meet her. Carry her, say they carry and go jail. And on top of which, they don't even tell her the reason. But up till now, this lady still dey sleep inside jail for no good reason. For my people who never watch this one, you can follow me see.
I beg God, Nigerian people wanna see me. Oh, here I dey here since 6 o'clock, like 6 p.m. in the evening. Now these people pack me, carry me, come keep here. It's my 2 little children. The first one is 3 years. The second one is 2 years. Now we came here. They did not ask us for anything at all. They did not ask for anything. Even 1 rupee, they don't ask. They just come after like 2 hours or 1 hour, 30 minutes. They came. They said, your name. We told them, I told them my name. They write my name, write my age, and my nationality. It don't finish. Reach now, these people have not said anything. Could you believe that my children that have not eaten, when I started asking for food like that kind after 11, they brought chimney. They first brought chips. I said, no, my children will not take chips because chips is not food. These children are too small to eat chips as night food. They now went and brought chimney. The chimney where they bring, they don't even ask whether my children they chop they like whether not their food, they don't just care. They brought the chimney with the paper full and you know how disgusting Indian food can be. My children just managed it because they were so hungry. Now the children have eaten it. I was like thinking that maybe they will ask of money to bail me or like leave me, make I go. See I'm now, see time. This is I think is after 1:24. I am still here. Now they're telling me that we're going to sleep here. That the person that is holding my case, my dear, are there my shop. These people waka come carry me. Don't be say they carry me, they see me with drugs. Or better still, they see me with a laptop, like cheating or G or whatever. I don't do anything. Nothing. Please, when I tell me where is it done? We are a child. Whenever reach 18 years, they go police station. They detain us since 6 p.m. in the night. Reach now. So that they tell me I go sleep here till morning. So that morning, now they go decide my fate. Even if my visa don't expire, what is they supposed to do to carry me go FRO, carry me go deport me? But what is tell me now? But when I tell me what are they here they do? With my little children, these people don't just get sympathy as like conscience, even a drop of it in their body. For them to see these children as small as they are, they get my semen, they sleep for this go for second area where they call. I don't know whether I said I even they said now. I don't just know where they keep me. See, they don't take light. See, when I see now light they take so now light they take for inside here. She be mosquito go kill me and my children for inside here, be? Eh?
Now wow, person now no fit just dey own. You go just hear say police don't come gbé person. The person where they even pity most of now the children, 3 years old and 2 years old from their young kids, they don't already they sleep inside prison. And them no be say they commit on your offense. Why be say these people know say okay, carry your children, go give your family. They can't still carry them, put inside this place. And even the mama right now, I beg waiting be her offense. Because when they look and no be say she commit anything, she don't know what she would, or I don't even tell her what she do. And I can't carry her just like that, even if her visa don't expire. At least na carry and go to the Nigerian immigration office. If she go there withdraw, no carry and go there. Now inside this room, be na wetin be. Now why they always talk and say abroad no dey easy, but na no go here. To find greener pastures, no be small thing. But some of because na one go see country wey be say NEPA they even take license for there. I beg, wetin come be the difference from there and Nigeria? Wetin be the difference? Because all of us even know say even their own police they even worse. They themselves they just be like Nigeria own. They even dey corrupt self pass our own. But anyway, as you don't come as I can't talk this, nothing where we fit do because we dey very far from you. The only thing na for us to come as I can't talk and maybe the Nigerian embassy where the person will know you go come as I can't help you. I be go follow them talk. So, okay, what you do? Obey na to bail you out. I be na to pay. At least you go know what you go do. Because we will be say you dey call now. Not be we send you to go there. When you go there, you know inform us. Now we be say you don't enter problem now. You can't call us and make come fight for you. The only way when I go feel help this man is to share this video. Maybe if you reach the right sources, they go come help her. Anyways, my people, now here I go end up on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. The traders of Oyingbo Market don't come outside, they protest to say Tinubu daughter by name Folashade Tinubu. Say this lady don't lock up their shop now for 2 weeks. Say she dey claim say she no want street people for the place. She no want all these people say they stand for men with the sell market. Say she no want them. And she don't complain tire. It be like say these people no agree comply. Now there she can't decide. Say as na no one agree here, make a cuckoo lock the market. And because of this one now, people don't come outside the protest. Say make this lady open the market. Make she leave them alone. For my people who never watch this one, you can follow me see.
They are really, really tired. From the bank, Nigerians are crying.
Children are suffering. Help us talk to Baba Tinubu. Make his daughter leave Oyingbo Market alone. Our children are suffering.
No go green.
Now wow. All these our top leaders, I don't tire for their own. Oh, now not say this country they had. Now, madam, you know say the country they had. At least you know say na like this, these people they use they suffer. They no fit afford shops. Now why they dey for this place they survive? Say may they at least do something to get money. Now when we say you don't lock this place, I hear say most of them their items and goods because inside the shop it get gate. And I hear some of them they store their market. Say most of their things don't perish, most of their things don't spoil because they no get access to go carry this thing. But small one be Tinubu, me I see say you get fault for here. Because I hear say, why this woman really lock this place? We no really even get the information. Those way they talk say, she tell them they no reason. No. The lady claims say this market, they always keep them very dirty and unkept. So if you go this market, the way the market go, they smell, you go even the wonder, be a dead body that they say, have been a food items. Now what you make a reason as okay, make the cuckoo close them down. You will be saying, no, if you afford shop, go your house, or you go find somewhere where you go stay. And say in fact the traffic where they happen for them in Bule, still na this market people because they so disorganized and uncontrollable. Now why all these kind of things they happen? And she don't reason as okay, she don't feel control them. Make she go lock am as na she get a banting and there you make mistake. Me I feel say for call these people down, follow them talks okay. This one on too dirty, I know like the way one they do. Make na carry na thing come up for here. Instead of just allowing just locking the place without any notice. So until this how we say they don't they cry, make they don't go swear for your unborn generation. You go there best now, make you just revoke everything. Do public announcement to them. Give them notice if na 5 days. Or you build a shop for them. Something will say it go there very affordable. Not be all this government shop represent are going to sell for 1 million to sell something cheap for them. When we say even as them they do business, they go feel they get money, they pay you. If you reason and that way, I sure say these people go accept you. And all of us know say you and your papa will not like you. Like father, like daughter. Everything for nana violence. And I feel say these people, as they don't like you, you can't bring out this one again. They go in and they attack you. So until I beg, find the right thing to do. Best thing, give them notice, tell them, I don't give until this time, make na fine and stuff, or you pay for shop where you go feel afford. Anyways, my people, now this one now here, now see make I bring and come. Make na stay tuned for our next story. This matter now about one of our Nigerian lady, where they wrongly detained and accused for inside Côte d'Ivoire. And based on what I hear, this girl na a 21 years old girl by name Itunu Babalola. They claim say this girl na trader for Bodonkwa. Say na there she dey sell her own market. And say one time she go market, come back, na there she see a person don't break into her house. Can't thief some kind things, na there she go report. Only for her to go report, come realize a person will break into her house. Now even the police officer cousin. Now I can do this kind of attack. Now there this girl lady say, lie, she must fight this, she must fight for her right. Whatever thing this guy don't carry, she go face her. Before we go see, they don't go kill this girl. For my people who never watch this one, they can follow me see.
Well, Itunu Babalola was confirmed dead yesterday. And it's really very shocking and quite tragic. Now, here's the thing about what happened with Itunu. She found her place was burgled. She got to know who did the burglary, and insisted that she was going to demand for justice. Now, the person who burgled her house happened to be related to some policeman in Ivory Coast. Although they told her, look, drop this case, she said, no, I'm going to see it through because I want justice. Somehow, she filed a case against the person, but using a different name. So she didn't use her name. I don't know whether it's because of her legal status. So you used a different name to file a case in court. Somehow a case of robbery, which she reported, turned to a case of human trafficking against her. And she was found guilty and sentenced to 20 years imprisonment. We got to know about 5 months ago. That's the Diaspora Commission. And we worked with the mission. The mission went to visit her. The place is quite far. The prison is in the hinterland. So the first thing was we needed to appeal. So the Nigerian mission in Cote d'Ivoire got a lawyer. They've paid the lawyer mobilization fees. The lawyer started work. So the appeal is ongoing. And our hope was the fact that we will indeed ensure the appeal. There was every possibility that she will win the appeal against her, and then, boom, she died. So when she was rushed to the hospital, the consular officer as well as the lawyer actually paid the cost for the hospital bill, and then just waiting for her to be discharged, and then appeal continues, and the bad news came. So, and the idea was the fact that even while she was appealing, maybe she could be out of prison and all that. So what the governor has done now is demanding a full autopsy, full investigation into the actual cause of her death, because it's quite mysterious. So what really killed Itunu? The Nigerian government is demanding that. So the Nigerian government is demanding for full autopsy. And then the case itself will still go ahead, because it's important that she gets justice even in her death. I've been in touch with her father. In fact, the father communicates with me and staff of NIDCOM from time to time. Of course, he's very distraught. She's just 22 years old and gone in her prime. So government did what they could do in terms of ensuring that, listen, get a lawyer, appeal, while you also do some diplomatic intervention. But don't forget that she had already been convicted and she was serving a sentence. And we were almost sure that she'll win the appeal and she'll become a free citizen again. And then this happened. So definitely we're upset about her death. We are distraught about her death, and we'll demand full justice and full and thorough investigation and an autopsy into what really happened to Itunu.
Lord have mercy. So person now no fit come outside come fight for him own right again. The next thing they go kill him. But I like as our Nigerian government don't dey on top of this matter, because they claim say they must demand justice for this girl, because this lady no go just die like that. How I go report say person can't thief something from my house? You as the police officer here, you will come dey bribe me. So until we say the person even thief, they say he did over what 300,000 naira. You can't dey carry something worth 100,000. They give me say I take as bribe. I be waiting. Now why they always talk and say most of all these police for all African countries, most of them they very very corrupt. They know what they do. But as they see and say this girl they stand on her right, say no, she go collect her money and this guy go face the law. Now there they begin twist this whole matter. Come begin arrest this girl saying she dey involved in trafficking of human. I beg since when? Person will be saying why even carry one person enter the place now come they accuse them of crime. Will be saying no. And before we go see, by the time where our Nigerian government go here, time don't to go. Now what make me even blame our Nigerian government? This girl don't date here since 2019. She don't say they inside jail. They receive punishment of something where she no know. I guess our Nigerian government can't hear about this matter 5 months ago. 5 months ago, they not do anything. So take this girl don't. I say by now this girl go don't even come out from jail. Say she no go even date there. Only for us now to come here saying something do her for there she don't. Are they very certain say now that police officer now go don't put something inside her food? I bet they don't do something to kill her. Because person no go just die like that. Person will be say they won't carry her go court, make she go face panic. All of a sudden she come that make they investigate that man well. Plus that in nephew have been and cousin, make they arrest them. Because you know can't thief person property. You go can't even kill the person on top. Can't they act like saying you don't know anything about them. But Nigeria beg make yourself do fast. On a say as na carry stone they go for head. On a they do sharp, make they carry and come back. This one will be say he involve life and death. On a no do fast so the girl don't die. But hopefully the girl will get the justice where she want. Make her at least still carry this matter, though she don't die. Make her investigate and well. Make this girl collect her just because she no go just die just like that too. Anyways, my people, now this one now here now some can bring and come. Make her stay tuned for our next story.